back here with another video. It's my buddy Daniel's Volkswagen Golf, and we're doing a muffler delete on it. Getting rid of that suitcase there and fucking baggage. Putting on this straight pipe, you know how we do. We were getting footage.
Take a lot for that to rust and break off. Yeah. But the other side was half of that, and then it had a little tack on the inside. And this tack, I think, is pretty good too. It's like a 1/2 inch almost thick, so that's the easiest. Nice and slow, nice and slow. No, you're going way too fast. Feel. Sweet. So I thought it would go. Now this one's gonna be the hard one.
We'll put this in there first.
First, or we'll never get it in. And like Justin said, we might have. Oh no. How's? Okay, go back, Dan, because it's your car.
Riding a little high on
Well,
it's not on yet.
hold on. This, yeah. So no, this is where it's gonna go. So we might have to cut some more of the pipe off, because it's not wanting to go back anymore, and we don't have any play.
Yeah.
So I think we gotta cut a little. We'll go a little bit by little bit. It's always good to cut.
1/2
Not
inch,
enough
1/4
off
inch.
as far as too much off, right? So
So
let's
it's
pull
actually
this back.
binding.
Let's pull it back off the center pipe. Grab the center pipe and help it wiggle it out, and just cut some
Off there.
Some. I'll do it.
What do you think, Daniel?
that. Looks fucking great.
So we're gonna get some welds on here. What we mocked up.
Ah, this mask sucks. It's burning my face and my neck. Fuck you, Dan. Sorry. That's all we had. You said it was fine. You said it would be alright. Oh yeah, right in the eyeball.
Got some custom bumpers and custom roll cages coming soon, guys. Stay tuned for some more videos.
I thought it was.
She's welded. Half welded.
She ain't moving now. She is where she is.
Hangers are up.
Start her up, Dan.
Magnaflow tips.
Fucking sound any different than when it did when before you had them on. Sorry, Dad.
No difference.
Too bad we lost the video from before.
I know, I can't believe that camera error. It's just non-stop video footage gone. Our whole trip to Canadian Tire gone.
Oh, it does sound.
No, we need to take the resonator out.
Yeah, but it does sound a little bit more.
It needs the resonator. If you took the resonator out,
it would sound nice. It would give you that pop and crackle. Like
yeah,
you
like
seen
my
on that
BMW.
video.
Or like my BMW.
Oh, you'd have to take the cat out for that.
No, I have a cat back.
Oh, you do have a cat?
Yeah, I have a cat back. Yeah.
You can hear it back here?
No, you need to take the resonator
It's
out.
better. Yeah.
I don't mind that. I'm alright with that. Like the low profile. Stealth.
Give me a second there, Brandon. I'm just getting the stakes on. In my house. What? In my house. put this on real low because I gotta go get some drill bits. Okay, so I found the drill bits. But little do you guys know, it's a very limited selection.
That's fine. Wow. The next size up is I don't think you're gonna. Yeah, I don't think you're gonna want the next size.
Guys, we really need some drill bits.
Oh shit.
Hey,
Way too big.
I told you.
Oh wait.
There you go. Make do with what we got.
Here, give him the drill. Good old Black & Decker.
I think it's cheaper than that Hyper Walmart. What's that?
Got a stubby Torx.
I got a ratchet and Torx.
Yeah, no, yeah, exactly.
It's stubby
Don't have
enough.
No stubby Torx.
It's stubby enough. Alright guys, these are looking prime. Getting some coloring.
Small one. Dustin.
It's in the tool case.
What tool case?
The tool kit, the socket kit. Yeah, there it is. Anyways, back over here we go. I think these are almost ready to flip. I think I'm gonna rotate. These guys are getting a little bit hotter than this one. Maybe a couple minutes. Tailgate barbecue, boys. Garage is all cleaned up, so it's back in. Daniel's got his exhaust on. Is there a little rev for this? Rev it up. Okay. Not bad, not bad. You gonna do a little turnaround and give her for us?
Sure.
Alright. Not bad. Gotta get that resonator delete.
Yeah, but definitely
And you'll get that popping.
a lot more tone to it though.
Yeah, it doesn't sound so stock. Definitely. Definitely sounds better. Oh, baby. What do you think, bro?
Fuck yeah.
Yeah, buddy.
It's like just stealthy enough to be like perfect.
I was saying we still need to delete that resonator.
Yeah, still.
Just get that grass and that
Or
pop.
we'll just get one of those fucking the switches.
Yeah, there
Put it
you
right
go.
before the res.
Yeah. Yeah, definitely.
Fuck yeah.
All right, man.
I
It
want
was
to hear
nice
this.
hanging out.
I want to
Give me
hear
a
this.
shout. Busy fucking night. Oh, here's the diesel. Brandon was 2,500.